Good morning, West Michigan. I'm Fox 17 Weather Ready meteorologist Terry DeBoer joining you live here on what's going to be a terrific Tuesday morning. You can see as we look off to the north out of our downtown Grand Rapids, this is US 131 north and southbound. Just to the north of the Ford Freeway interchange, of course, we've got the Grand River there and a beautiful sunrise unfolding. By the way, have you noticed that our sunrise times are getting a little later? Earliest sunrise time of the summer season is at 6:03. Sunrise today is at 6:12, so we have lost 9 minutes of daylight on the front end of the day. Sunset time today is at 9:23. We have the latest sunset time is at 9:26, so we've lost 3 minutes on the end of the day. So as a whole, we lost 12 minutes of daylight as we move through the month of July into August, eventually September. We know that we're going to continue to see our minutes of daylight shrink every single day. So we got temps this morning in the 50s and low 60s, a good 5 to 10 degrees cooler than we were at this point yesterday. And of course, yesterday morning, we were about 5 to 15 degrees cooler than we were Sunday morning. And the difference is we've got lower dew points out there, so a much drier air mass in place. Isolated shower chances aren't impossible over the next several days, but the overall pattern remains mostly dry with highs in the 80s. We make a run at 90 again with higher humidity levels on Friday. You want to keep those sprinklers running. We have a 2-inch rainfall deficit since June 1st, a 5-inch precipitation deficit for 2025 so far. And this is a look at the dry and almost drought conditions across many counties across central and southern lower Michigan. And rain chances over the next several days are not very impressive. We could see a few stray showers, maybe an isolated thunder shower along the way, but for the most part, the overall trend here is to keep the dry weather pattern going. So far this month, we've had multiple days with high temps well above average, and yesterday was the first of the month with a temp below average of 81 for a high. Our average high is at 83, and you can see the rest of the 7-day stretch keeps those temperatures in the 80s to low 90s, and at times, our dew points are going to surge again tomorrow, also into Friday and Saturday, so we'll have a few comfortable days on the humidity side of things today and also Thursday, but otherwise the steamy weather will be building back in. Overall, we do have high pressure and control of our weather for today, and that is what's going to keep us, for the most part, with a good bit of sunshine. You'll see a little limited moisture come through, so from time to time, we're going to have patches of clouds roll through. Stray shower, not impossible, but again, for the most part, most of today will be dry. Could see a shower or thunder shower roll through, especially in areas east and southeast of Grand Rapids late tonight into early in the day tomorrow. Could see a stray shower pop up during the day tomorrow as well. But again, you can see the huge holes in the precipitation and the cloud deck. So we will overall see mostly dry conditions around, but with just those isolated shower and thunder shower chances rolling through. Lake Michigan, much calmer conditions today. We likely will see the green flags flying at the beaches. Waves calm to a foot or two with that offshore flow this morning becoming more onshore this afternoon. Water temperatures are still holding in the 70s. 7-day forecast will shake out like this. Again, the overall pattern, mostly dry. The heat builds back in for Thursday and Friday. Better chance of showers and thunder showers on Saturday for the most part. Most of the weekend then, the finish to the weekend and